I got this saw as a box of parts. It was literally the whole saw disassembled in a box, and half of it was trash. So trying to figure out the best way to go about rebuilding it and making a good saw out of it, I went with Sawzilla. I've bought their stuff before and had really good results, and you know, it was an MS390. I've got several 290s. I know how they cut. I like that they're reliable, so I decided to put the money into it to make another saw. It's supposed to be a 290, but I got the MS390 cylinder kit, and pretty much almost every single thing I put into this saw came from Sawzilla. Those guys over there are great. If you need help, just call them. They'll do the best they can to find out what you need, or figure out the best way to go about getting what you need. Their parts have been great. Even some of the Velorby files that they sell, those are wonderful. I've used them exclusively for a long time, and they last a long time, and they do an excellent job of sharpening. So I'm going to start this thing up and run a cut and let you see how well this saw will cut. Saw doesn't play around now. It'll run circles around all my other 290s. It's impressive. I'm happy with it. Give them a try. You won't be sorry.